I have a problem with an event that we are sending from segment to Amplitude. I'm just wondering if there is any way to know in case of this event that is not hitting Amplitude. Is there a way to know if Amplitude is blocking this event for any other reason or not? Because I can see on segment that the events are being sent correctly. So I'm wondering if there is something on Amplitude that it's able to show any particular issues with event being received.
So there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing, you would want to check if that event name is in block or deleted status by any chance. Because if that's the case, then that event might be hitting a servers, but we are not ingesting it. So you will get the success message on segment side, but the event will not be seen in Amplitude. Second thing is when you go to sources, and you see this ingestion debugger, you will see if there were any error requests from our side. So that gives you an idea if there were a bunch of events that were rejected, and segments and data using HTTP endpoint, you can be very specific to this and gives you a distribution of error message over the course of a specific time period that you can select here as well. I would recommend getting started from here.
I can see some of on that graph that you just shared on error request. I see a number of events. Is there a way I can see the event name that are locked or something like that or no?
Not on that chart, right? That will happen in the blocked section over here that I was showing you earlier. Events and checking the status.
Got it. I really appreciate it. Thank you.